Hi guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. This property in Duncans is perfect for a private residence or for tourist accommodations. Centrally located to beaches, geological formations, fountains, horse trails, nature reserves, kayaking, countryside, natural places, trail running, ancient ruins in Jamaica. The 4 bedrooms are equipped with split AC units and ceiling fans, an open concept and modernized kitchen with elegant finishes and decor. Tall driveway to a fully fenced lot with multiple car parks behind a powerful front gate with state-of-the-art security systems and populated with fruit trees. The property has a 25,000-gallon water storage facility along with its NWC supply, with all the modern conveniences and located in a prime tourist location. The opportunities surrounding this property are endless. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 785,000 or Jamaican $120.8 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.